Right, today we're back at it again. This is episode 3 of my Vauxhall Vivaro van build, and I'm going to be showing you how I prepared my van ready for felting. So, as you can see here, this nice big chunk of wood has just arrived, along with another few bits of wood here and some stencils that I made the other day. And basically, I'm going to use this saw here, this saw, to cut round this stencil that I've made. Now, obviously, it's important. I'm wearing wearing eye protection, wearing my cap. This is mainly to keep dust out of my eyes. And then I've got this on 2 trestles, and I'm just going to work on the bits where it's over the trestles the most, so that it's the safest, so it doesn't slip or fall. And obviously, be very careful with power saws. Don't play around with them. Let's just see how this goes.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands.
Oh, a little bit to you, yeah. Oh, a little bit to that way. Wow.
And a pull, it's getting under.
It's actually catching a little bit on some squishy stuff.
Where? Oh, is that sort of stopping it?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's you can pull that off.
Yeah, this stuff.
So the first bit of wood's just gone in, as you've seen. Fits perfectly. It's actually quite snug in all these corners, which I'm pretty happy with. The wheel arches won't be seen, so that should be fine. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is there's a bit of a gap here. But I think I might just get some foam and literally squeeze it into these spaces here. Gonna bring it out first. Do you think we should, before we take that off, should we take that off first?
Yeah, the end should be
and have a look at it.
Yeah.
Issue. This edge here seems to be too big, so it's just hitting this corner, which means this whole piece is off kilter. So we're just going to go back and trim this and then refit it and see what happens. Now is the moment of truth. We're going to see if this board fits in perfectly after all of our various cuts.
If it doesn't work, I'm going to be sad.
I'll be sad. Oh, that is so close.
Wait.
We just cut a whole millimetre off.
Wait.
Oh no.
It's so close.
Oh my god, it is
I think
so
I
close.
could stand on it.
Yeah? Go on, stand on it right in the middle. Oh my god.
Woo!
It's in. Perfect. Right, the floor's all down now and it fits perfectly, just like you just saw. I'm literally just putting in these screws now to put it down for its final resting place. And it's getting pretty dark, so after I've done this, I think I'm just going to finish for the day. Good morning. So last night we fitted the floor. I went round last night and put in all these screws here, so they're sunk straight through the wood and also into the metal. I have noticed that at the back, this screw and this screw just not long enough. So I've been to B&Q today, bought myself some longer screws. So let's put those in. Okay, so I've cut this stencil out now. This is for one of the side walls. And the plan is to go and put this in and see if I can get it to fit. And then basically I've got the other wall here, so I'm trying to recycle as much as possible. So I'm going to make a stencil after this when it's perfect on this one. And then I'm going to try and install that one as well. Then basically what I've got to do after that, I've got 2 templates that I need to work with. There's this one, which is another part of the side, and then this other template, which is for the back doors.
It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling love.
trying to do is I'm trying to get this perfectly flush. So if I press that up against there, when I screw it in, felting over the top of it's not going to be an issue. And then if I push this in here, you can see that there's this bit of a lip here. So I've just been marking with a pen just how much I need to take off, and it's just basically this corner. The rest of it looks like it's going to fit pretty flush. And this bottom bit doesn't really matter, it's you're not going to see it anyway. It's going to be behind something, so I'm happy to just recycle that.
Stick with me and I will guarantee you'll never last alone the crowd with me.
That's, oops, come out a bit too far there, but it should be okay. And I'm hoping that I can screw that in. That's a bit of a mistake though. The rest looks pretty. Oh, actually, should probably take a bit off there. That's fine. And then I think I just need to take a bit more of that.
It's a furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulsing shove. It's the sharpest cry.
Alright, it's the last templates to cut out, and then once we've got it fitted, we can get inside the van, screwing it all down. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it'll all go as planned. And I know these glasses are sexy.
Towards Atlantic Sea, they're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you'll never last alone the crowd with me. Never last alone the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You'll never last alone the crowd with me.
All the walls are on now. Right, I'm absolutely knackered now. So that basically concludes this week of work. I'm gonna have to find some more time to put some hours into the van. The next thing I've got to do is I've got to felt the inside and the back doors. But thank you all for watching today's video. And again, if you would please like, comment and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Thank you, bye.
You'll never last alone the crowd with me.